Sa'ad bin Abi Waqqas radiallahu anhu mentioned that 4 verses were revealed from the book of Allah regarding me. My mother had one of them was when my mother had taken an oath to not eat or drink until I left the fold of Islam. I distanced myself from Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala then revealed the verse, وَإِن جَاهَدَاكَ عَلَىٰ أَن تُشْرِكَ بِي مَا لَيْسَ لَكَ بِهِ عِلْمٌ فَلَا تُطِعْهُمَا. That if they force you to ascribe partners to me about that which you have no knowledge. So obviously none of us we don't have knowledge, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has no partners, and we've got knowledge that Allah has no partners. Okay. Then do not obey them. But besides that, وَصَاحِبْهُمَا فِي الدُّنْيَا مَعْرُوفًا, cordially associate yourself with them in this world. Point to note that a parent's disbelief is no excuse or justification for the child to treat them rudely, as highlighted in the next hadith. Next hadith narrated by Asma bint Abi Bakr radiyallahu anhuma. Father Sahabi, daughter Sahabiya. There are other points in Hadith 24. There's 4 verses. We're not going to go into that because we're just covering specific points regarding the chapter heading of Imam Bukhari, being kind to a mushrik parent. So Asma bint Abi Bakr radiyallahu anhuma mentioned that she told Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam that my mother is coming to me interested. So should I join family ties with her? Should I treat her as normal? He replied, yes. Background of this. Asma radiallahu anha was the daughter of Abu Bakr radiallahu anh and the elder sister of Aisha radiallahu anha by a different mother. Her mother, his name was Qatila, daughter of Abdul Uzza, and Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu had divorced her prior to Islam, prior to him accepting Islam. So she wasn't his wife at that time in Islam, but she still stuck to her shirki beliefs. So at the Treaty of Hudaybiyah, after the Treaty of Hudaybiyah, when the people of Makkah were allowed to visit Medina and the Muslims of Medina were allowed to visit Makkah, Asma radiallahu anha's mother took this opportunity to visit her daughter in Medina Munawwara. That's what Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Asma radiallahu anha asked Prophet of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam that how should she treat her? Should she sever ties with her because of her shirk, or should she still be nice to her because of her motherly relationship? And in that, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam advised her that no, you should still maintain ties with her. So interested meant 2 things, or actually it means 2 things. One is that maybe she was interested in Islam, or maybe she was just interested in sort of joining ties with her daughter. She hadn't seen her for a couple years. She wanted to get to know her well-being, like how a mother normally would.